tailgate meeting. Don't die.
Stop by for another can of 6 milligram, 'cause I can't stand not having something to calm me down. Been a little bit broken, man, trying to understand some bigger plan. Finding myself thinking about, do people really stay in love? Does a girl ever wanna come back? Asking the man above, is a heart supposed to hurt this bad? She's got me questioning everything, the proof in this whiskey drink. Does it even do anything to kill the pain? My boys are calling and asking me, why can't I just let it be? What can I say? She's got me questioning everything. Got me drinking in circles now, going round and round and finding out what it's gonna take to wash away. Every midnight driving, moonlit sky, every time I can never fight the way it lives, beg me to stay. So how'd she pack it up and go? How did I end up in the front row of such a shit show?
Why, you gonna record me? Oh, look at that Hankerin.
She's got me questioning everything, the proof in this whiskey drink. Does it even do anything to kill the pain? My boys are calling and asking me, why can't I just let it be? What can I say? She's got me questioning, how could she not be thinking of the times that we made love in the bed of my truck, huddled up with the tailgate down? She's got me questioning everything, the proof in this whiskey drink. Does it even do anything to kill the pain? My boys are calling and asking me, why can't I just let it be? What can I say? She's got me questioning everything, everything.
All that stuff, so we went up there. We were done in 45 minutes. And she's like, well, you know, are you not going to charge me an emergency rate and all this? I said, no, I'm just going to charge you a minimum. She's like, but it's Sunday and all this. I said, look, you want to give me extra money? I said, but my minimum's $1,500 bucks. I'm trying to help you out, you know what I mean?
If you want to give me more, go
If
ahead.
you want to give me more money, you can. But she was real happy to get taken care of.
It's that four on the floor, a heavy pour with all my rowdy friends. Need to hear something real from the man of steel. Now that's a couple dollars well spent. Ain't no wrong time for Dixie on my mind, so y'all just shut up and listen. It's a family tradition. Got my daddy to thank. I got a Hankerin for Hank. Pretty soon their brand new boots were scooting on top of the bar to that outlaw sound. Yeah, it turns out they were born to boogie after all. All they needed was a come to Jesus about the man they called Josephus. It's that four on the floor, a heavy pour with all my rowdy friends. Need to hear something real from the man of steel. Now that's a couple dollars well spent. Ain't no wrong time for Dixie on my mind, so y'all just shut up and listen. It's a family tradition. Got my daddy to thank. I got a Hankerin for Hank. Pour on the floor, a heavy pour friends need to hear something real from the man of steel. Now that's a couple dollars well spent. Ain't no wrong time for Dixie on my mind, so y'all just shut up and listen.